Hello and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. Today I am going to discuss about Hadoop Exam Premium membership on YouTube. So let's go in detail what we are providing as part of this premium membership. So once you subscribe for this premium membership, you would get like exclusive access to all the training videos and playlists which are published by Hadoop Exam on YouTube. So now Hadoop Exam is what doing, like they are publishing their entire training list on the YouTube as well. So that would include all the videos from our training list which can help you to learn the step by step doing hands-on. You can access the PDF resources, you can access the codes which are given as part of this training, and many more things. You can get whatever the learning resources required as part of this training, correct? How to set up the environment, etc. kind of thing. Now this training could be like technology training, it could be financial technology training, it could be recruitment related training, it could be HR related training, and any more resources which Hadoop Exam can partner with other trainers and get to you. So we would be adding as much material as possible, correct, as part of your uh, learning list. So this is a monthly subscription from YouTube, and this is completely controlled by YouTube, your membership, and you whenever you want you can join it, you can unsubscribe it, and you can rejoin it whatever way you want it. So you would get like exclusive access to training videos and resources kind of thing, correct? In future we may add more things, and you would if your subscription is active, you would be getting those access. Now let's move further and see the detail about this. So currently if you see, this is an Hadoop Exam channel list, correct? So where we have all the playlists you can see here. So there are, in this screenshot you can see 6 playlists, where each playlist would have quite a good amount of videos. Other than first one is in process, we are uploading the video, so that's where you see only 4 videos. But if you see a rest of the trainings, there are 34 videos, 20 videos in one playlist, 18 videos in another. So this is entire training list basically. So you, once you complete this training, you would become master or professional for that particular area. So that is what this training does, correct? So now let me show you how you can join it. You can just whenever you're watching video published by Hadoop Exam, you just click on the join button and you can access those video. Okay, sorry, you can subscribe for this premium membership. Now let me go to this and show you how things works. Basically you need to search for the Hadoop Exam on the YouTube, and this would come like this: Hadoop Exam learning resources, correct? Above that you would see some advertisement, so that is not is part of our this is YouTube free advertisement basically, correct? So now you need to click on this Hadoop Exam learning resources. Let's say if you click on this, let me open the new button here. So now this would open it, and you have to go under the playlist. So playlist is the well organized stuff on YouTube which Hadoop Exam is doing. So all playlists are like, currently we are putting number as well against this, but this number is not any order or a specific. Basically this is uniquely identify a training. So that's where we are providing 1 2 3 4 number basically. So suppose you are opening one training list, let's say Apache Spark SQL professional training. So once you click on this, you can see this like all 23 videos you can see are from this if you are a member of this. So, and also one thing, like suppose you are randomly watching any video, so in the video at the below in the description section we have put the link of the playlist as well. So if you are want to start the playlist again, so you just click on this and this would launch the playlist. So that's why every playlist is organized like this. Is let you can open like, let's say, based certification playlist where the 34 videos, correct? So suppose you are watching 17th number of video and you want to start the playlist again, so go to description section and click on this, so this playlist would be started. So this is all playlist content you can see here, correct? So we are adding more and more materials regularly. So we just started, so we would be adding like quite a few amount of trainings regularly, and we have partnered with a third party vendors as well to like who are the better trainer, who are globally well trained trainer. Like I would say they are teaching various technology globally, correct? So that all would be part of this group, and we would be uploading this training here. And whenever new training is launched, you can get the announcement from the we would be posting the premium post as well, which would be exclusively to members only. So once members you become a member, you would like get notified as well whenever new training is launched, and exclusive access to that training you would get. Correct. So that's what I see. And let me see if anything else I wanted to discuss, like uh, so if you are not become if you don't want to become a member, then what you would have only selected video access from one or two videos from a specific training. Correct. That would be more of an introduction for the particular technology. So but if you want to learn and do the hands-on session, you want to access the PDF resources, etc., so that you can subscribe to this training from YouTube membership, not training, YouTube premium membership from Hadoop exam. Correct. So that's what you can do here. And that's all perks we have talked about, what you would get as part of this training. And join button, as like currently it's not yet enabled, so you don't see, but here you would see a join button whenever this we enabled it basically. So once you click on join button, it would be like monthly subscription. Whenever you want to enable it, you can enable it. Whenever you want to disable it, you can disable it. Correct. So that's why it works. And rules and regulation is like more of the YouTube control, because this entire membership management is done by YouTube itself. So Hadoop exam does not do any management on the membership side. We just publish the content and organize properly and give you as much learning material as possible in an organized manner basically. Correct. That is what our target. Like we don't want to give ad hoc here and there or kind of thing. As much as organized possibly we can do here. So you can see here, these are all in the proper order. This all the videos are organized, so you need to go through in order for to watch this video. I would say don't go in random order. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope this would be helpful, and you would become a member of Hadoop exam YouTube membership as well, and grow in your career. So that is currently 599 rupees per month. So in dollar terms, it's much less than $10, like much below than $10. So 599 rupees, so which approximates $7-8. So that conversion is again done by the YouTube. We don't control this. So thank you. And if you want to discuss further and you want to know more, visit hadoopexam.com. This is the website, like which is through which we are publishing this stuff. Correct. So this is the main website from Hadoop exam, where we are also publishing various training, certification material, interview preparation material. So this is not only training, there is much more material, like you can see here. Like these are the certification preparation, like Python certification, Cloudera certification, various certification preparation question and answers, project access, on-demand trainings, ebooks, etc. you can get from Hadoop exam as well. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'm stopping now.